Community Helpers Riddles for Kids. Before we dive into the toilsome world of community helpers, let's take a tour of a treasure trove of printable and online worksheets on Tutoring Hour. Visit tutoringhour.com today for all your educational needs. Let's kick things off with our first clue.
I wear a badge, and I keep you safe. I enforce the law, and I'm firm, not chafe. In my cruiser, I patrol around, making sure our neighborhood is safe and sound.
Can you guess who that is? That's a police officer. A police officer keeps you safe and helps in emergencies. Okay, moving on to the next one.
I wear a helmet and I'm gutsy and brave. Running through flames is what I crave. With a hose and ladder, I'm here to help. When fires are raging, you'll hear me yelp.
Can you guess who that is? That's a firefighter. A firefighter helps put out fires and saves lives. Here's your next clue.
I'm the one who helps you learn and grow, with fun stories, games, and lots of things to know. In a classroom, I'm here for you each day, teaching math, reading, and how to play.
Can you guess who that is? That's a teacher. A teacher helps you learn new things every day. All right, let's go to the next clue.
I wear a coat that's white and bright. With a stethoscope around my neck, I'm a sight. I check your heartbeat and help you heal. When you're feeling sick, I'm the real deal.
Can you guess who that is? That's a doctor. A doctor helps you stay healthy and get better when you're sick. Great job. Now here's the next one.
I wake up early to work on the land. With crops and animals, I lend a hand. I grow your food, grains and greens. In fields and barns, I'm often seen.
Can you guess who that is? That's a farmer. A farmer grows your food and cares for animals. Ready for the next one? Here it comes.
In the kitchen, I'm the boss, creating dishes without a loss. I chop, mix, and cook with flair, serving meals with love and care.
Can you guess who that is? That's a chef. A chef makes tasty meals for you to enjoy. Now, on to the next question.
I walk or drive to every door, bringing letters, packages, and more. Rain or shine, I'm on my way, delivering your mail each day.
Can you guess who that is? That's a mail carrier. A mail carrier delivers letters and packages to brighten your day. Here's your next hint.
With wood and nails, I build with pride. From furniture to homes, I'm your guide. I measure and cut, making things strong. In creating with wood, you'll find I belong.
Can you guess who that is? That's a carpenter. A carpenter builds and repairs wooden things. Time for the next challenge.
I fly high up in the sky, taking people where they want to fly. With controls and a steady hand, I bring planes safely to land.
Can you guess who that is? That's a pilot. A pilot flies planes and takes you to new places. Let's see if you can guess this one.
I keep buildings clean and bright, working day and sometimes night. With a mop, broom, and cleaning spray, I make sure messes are swept away.
Can you guess who that is? That's a janitor. A janitor keeps your schools and workplaces clean. Wow, you clearly know a lot about community helpers. If you enjoyed answering these riddles, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more fun content. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep exploring, and don't forget to thank your community helpers.